Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Keith James Dunn, aka The Broker Guy. Did you know that according to a Business Wire article, 92% of borrowers did online research prior to reaching out to a lender in 2018? That was pre-pandemic and 4 years ago. I assume that number is closer to 98% now. This means that if you don't have a website, you are potentially missing out on 92% of the market. And if you don't have a lead capture website, most likely clients are visiting your website and clicking off of it because you didn't have the proper tools to keep them engaged. Okay, I've received some feedback and I really appreciate it. Yes, my lead capture website videos are lengthy. Yes, it is a time commitment. But what did you expect? If it were easy, everybody would do it. That being said, I did make it easy. You literally don't need any experience whatsoever. All you need is 2.5 hours and $65. That's it. 2.5 hours to watch my free step-by-step videos and $65 to pay for Bluehost hosting. No affiliation. I'm going to be real with you. If you're not willing to invest that into your business, then you may be in the wrong business. I challenge you to block off 2.5 hours this month and invest it into your business. You'll be happy you did. Thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned my next episode where we discuss the best third-party platform to create your lead capture website. As always, my name is Keith James Dunn, aka The Broker Guy.